The ever-growing consumer demand for customized, innovative and improved products is a growing concern for many industries, and they're all trying to figure out ways to move towards digitalization for supporting the competitiveness of EU SMEs by improving and supporting production efficiency, product customization and configuration, automation, human error reduction, decrease in energy consumption, and better working environments. So how can more small, medium enterprises and mid-caps achieve all of this in a cost-effective manner? One word: VOJEXT. VOJEXT is a Horizon 2020 project that strives to provide a new generation of technological, user-friendly and refined framework for collaborative robotics, the so-called cobots, for the multilateral needs of the manufacturing businesses. In order to automate the working process, especially in the manufacturing and construction sector, the project brings forward the necessity for cobots. Experimenting with human-robot interaction improves efficiency, working conditions, and gender issues, thus helping to facilitate the creation and experimentation with and by the arts to ensure human acceptance of digital technologies in manufacturing and to stimulate new products and services. VOJEXT empowers SMEs through DIHs and arts. This Horizon 2020 initiative designs, develops and demonstrates multi-purpose robotic systems in different manufacturing and construction spheres. But who benefits the most of all from these activities? VOJEXT addresses SMEs, mid-caps, large companies, small crafters, DIHs, clusters and other interested parties. The most affected industries are the manufacturing and the construction sector, together with other important IT and robotics areas. The project further reaches various ST Arts members, artists, and media stakeholders. VOJEXT demonstrates its value with 5 experimental pilots. Through these cases, VOJEXT addresses the challenges of handling dangerous processes, excessive manual labor, deformation of products, assembly of fragile products, and reviving ancient crafts. The new digital technologies contribute to increased SMEs' competitiveness, reduction of human error and downtime, improved efficiency and better quality of products, decrease in carbon footprint, less waste of resources, time and energy, and last but not least, preservation of traditional skills. SMEs are allowed to experiment with cognition and human-robot interaction and test how to accelerate the design, development and uptake of advanced digital technologies by European manufacturing and construction industry. VOJEXT manages 2 open calls. The first one for innovative SMEs was held in the spring of 2021, and its aim was to extend the capacity and technology outreach of cobot applications. The second open call will devote a budget of €620,000 for extending the functions and use of the existing cases or deploying new ones. VOJEXT also supports 2 ST Arts residencies by inviting artists to partner with technology or robotic manufacturing partners. The objective is to provide a different artistic perspective to improve acceptance of digital technologies, stimulating new products and services. Promoting EU cooperation and innovations, the digital innovation hubs play a special role in the project. The consortium brings together 4 DIHs and 7 more representatives as experts, together with manufacturing companies and academic industry IT developers, to cooperate, learn, and design more real-world experimental pilot scenarios. Led by the UPM, VOJEXT brings together a multidisciplinary and complementary consortium team of 20 partners from 14 EU and associated countries. VOJEXT – next-generation cognitive cobots for smarter industries. Visit vojext.eu to learn more.